What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to pair a phone to a 2023 Nissan Kicks. I'm going to be connecting an iPhone in this video. Other phones would be similar. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings, open the Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, I'm going to come over here on the left-hand side and click Menu. From here, I'm going to click Connections and then Add New. Now we'll grab our phone, and under the available devices, it's going to be My Kicks. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that this PIN number here matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does, so click Pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. But as you can see, we are now connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.